evening, kids. Okay, so I made the scallops. One with the truffle sauce, and the other one is just regular, and one is with truffle cauliflower puree, and the other one is with pesto cauliflower puree. Have you guys tried it already? Oh, pick it up. Alright, try it, eat it. Alright, so Atticus, you want to go first since you've tried it both already.
I like scallop because it's really chewy.
Can you louder?
I like scallop because it's really chewy.
Okay, so which one do you like more? The one with pesto,
The one with truffle.
or the one you like the one with truffle?
Oh.
What about you?
I like the truffle.
You like the truffle? Okay. Nana?
I like the roll.
Yo. So what about the scallops today?
I like the roll because it's chewy.
但是 scallop 已经吃完了。
Okay. So Heather?
I love everything but the steak is more yummy. I don't know what it is.
Which one? You like the steak? Okay. So what about the scallops?
What sauce is
It's
it?
yummy.
Is yummy? Which sauce do you like more? Which
What?
puree? Do you like the white puree or the green puree?
White.
You like the white?
I like the white.
Okay.
Why is the truffle?
All right. So time to vote.
Okay.
Drum roll. Dun-dun. 7 thumbs up. 7 out of 8. That's good enough. Thank you.